Hi, today we're going to understand how to convert a Notion form into PDF files in automation. For this discussion, we are going to talk about strategic partnership agreement form. And as you can see, there are few fields of details over here which the user can fill in to create the form entries. So once the user fills in all the details and they click on submit, the responses will go to the responses view in the database over here. I've already gone ahead and I put two entries into this particular database. And now I'm looking to convert these entries into PDF files on automation mode. For this, I'll be using a tool known as PDFOutput. PDFOutput will help us process PDFs on automation from a Google document with the help of a Notion database. So Google document is where you will be editing the document to convert to PDF file, and the Notion database will contain all the information that you want to use to convert to PDF. You can create any reports, invoices, certificates, contracts, or even quotations from this exact tool to create a PDF out of it. So let us understand how this will work. Click on create PDF and quickly sign in, and then we will be able to see how the automation will work out. So I'm going to choose one of my accounts which I'm going to use for these automation steps, and then we will proceed further with the remaining steps for the automation. So as you log in, the very first thing which you need to do is you need to connect your database over here. After that, you need to connect your document to the corresponding database. And finally, we need to map every field of the database one by one onto the document to generate the PDF. So let's click on add Notion database, and we're going to connect the database which we already have on our account to the setup screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the database title that we already have on our account. So I'm going to copy this title, and we're going to add this database inside the selection screen. So head over to Notion, and you should be able to see the selection screen appear over here within a few seconds, which we are going to use to generate a PDF file. So let us wait, and you can see you can click on select pages over here, put the title inside the search pages, and you should be able to add the database from the selection screen that appears over here. Click on the particular form, and now it is added up. So whenever you're looking to add a form or a database, always put it inside the search pages field and then add it. Do not select the database by selecting from the top level pages that you see over here, because that doesn't give a good experience and the database may not be added correctly. Alongside that, if your database contains any relation properties, so let's say my strategic partnership agreement form is connected with database A and database B through relation properties, I also need to add database A and database B inside the search pages field so that the PDF file which will be created will have all the relation and roller values appear correctly on the document. Otherwise, the relation and roller values are not visible in the PDF file that will be generated. Click on allow access, and now we should get access to the database right inside this PDF output dashboard. It takes a while to load the database, so please have some patience, but you should be able to see the database appear in the dropdown. If it is not showing up, simply click on reload database once or twice, and you should be able to see the database appear in the dropdown right over here. So let me try reloading it once again, and I should be able to see the database appear in the dropdown, and you can see it is showing up over here. If you scroll down, you should be able to see the properties of the database appear over here one below the other, which we can use for the automation steps. Let's click on add Google document, and if you already have a strategic partnership agreement template available on your drive, go with an existing document and choose the template that is already available on your drive. I don't have any existing document which would be available, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a new document altogether. So click on add demo document, and you should be able to create a new template. It will automatically add a new document with all the placeholders automatically added up. So you can see it has added us this new document with every placeholder automatically created for our use case. So we have partner A name, we have partner B name, we have partnership purpose. All these fields are automatically fetched from the database that we get over here. So what this will do is this will replace all these fields inside double curly brackets with the values from the database. I need to generate the PDF file. So partner A name will be replaced with the partner A name column over here. Similarly, partner B name will be replaced with the partner B name column over here, and so on for all the other fields. If you want to add any property onto the document, let's say you want to add start date, let's click on copy, go to the document wherever you wish to add it, and simply copy paste the property right inside the document. So you can use Control V or Command V, it will automatically paste the property inside the document. Let's say I also want to put the end date over here, so I can go with the end date. Or maybe if you want to go with the term duration, click on copy and term duration and put it over here. So you can eventually map any field as per your choice in this format by using Control V or Command V on a keyboard and copying and pasting the property inside the document. All my fields are automatically mapped, so I do not need to map anything any further. Instead, I want to define how the PDF file will be named. So I want to define the PDF file as per the partner name, or maybe you can go with the partnership purpose. This is how I want to define the PDF file as. So I will select partnership purpose from the drop down, and then I'll click on download PDF. As I click on download PDF, it will automatically start generating the PDF inside the database. So what you will notice over here is you will have this additional column which will say that the PDF file needs to be generated. So let us wait for a few seconds, and you can see you have this additional generate PDF column which is currently marked as ready to generate. So anything which is set as ready to generate, it will be converted to PDF file and it will be stored in the PDF file column right over here. So whenever you're going to generate a PDF, make sure you set your records as ready to generate, whichever you're looking to convert to PDF, and then you click on download PDF to generate the PDF inside the database. So let's click on the PDF files and let's see how the output appears. And you should be able to see all the placeholders automatically showing up inside this document as we expected. So every placeholder of the database is already mapped and it is already visible inside this document as per our requirement. Okay. So this is how it generates the PDF. The next step after this is, if you want to automate this process entirely without touching PDF output and you want to generate PDFs completely in automation, click on Setup Notion Automation and this will run the automation to generate the PDF forever. Which means now you do not need to touch PDF output dashboard and set up the database and the document again and again to generate the PDF. Once you click on Setup Notion or Automation, whenever the user clicks on Submit and a new entry appears in the database, simply mark it as ready to generate and the PDF will automatically be created in the database for you. This makes the process truly easy and convenient to use as all the automations happen directly inside the database and the PDF are generated within the database for a use case. So this makes the process really effortless as every automation happens directly inside the database. So whenever you set up the database and the document and you click on Notion Automation, it will automatically generate the PDF inside the database for a requirement. So this was our end goal requirement where we wanted to generate a PDF within the database, and we are able to do that with this simple PDF output automation tool. I hope this explanation was clear to you. If you still have any questions for me on this, use this chat bubble and send me a message with your queries. I'll be able to address everything that you might have. Or else you can go to the home page where you should be able to find this contact window and you should be able to send me a message with your issues. I'll be able to address the same as well. You can even book a free demo session where I'll be guiding you step by step on how to use this tool and take the best advantage of the automation available. So that was it from my side for the demonstration of using PDF output to generate the PDF. I hope you start automating the PDF solution for a requirement and create a PDF within the database for a use case. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching this video, and you can see it has started processing this document which we had marked as ready to generate.